Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial on how to create a lead generator page on Squarespace. Hopefully I will be guiding you through this step-by-step process. So if you're looking for your email list or to capture new leads or to drive the conversions on your website, then a lead generator page is a powerful tool that can help you achieve these goals. Hopefully in this tutorial we will explore the benefits of lead generator pages. We will discuss their uses, and I will also show you definitely how to create one on Squarespace. By the end of this tutorial, I hope you will be equipped with the knowledge and complete skills on creating this lead generator page. Definitely, it will help you drive your results for your businesses. Some of the people might get confused with the name lead generator page. It has so many names. You can also call it a landing page, a squeeze page, a capture page, conversion page, gated page. There are so many names. You can choose any one of them. So in order to create any one of these pages, we are going to go to Squarespace. If you are new to Squarespace, you are a newbie, then you gotta go to your squarespace.com, because first thing first, you are going to go to squarespace.com. You are going to log in or sign up using a suitable password, and this is going to be the dashboard that is going to appear on your screen. Now, if you are already familiar and you have created some websites, then you see there are these websites that are going to appear on your dashboard if you have already created one. But if you are completely new, and then what you're going to do is that you are going to start from the scratch, because these websites would not be available on your dashboard. So let's just start from the scratch, and I'll show you guys how to create a website so that you can add your lead generator page in it. It is just for the tutorial and for the video purpose. And let's just go to create website first. I'm going to click on this. I have to answer 2 to 3 simple questions, and it will help me choose a template for my website. So question is, what's your site about? There are so many options: photography, design, education, consulting, arts, health, marketing. Let's just choose marketing, and I'm going to click on next. Now, what do you want to do with your website? Let's just say I'm looking forward to sell services, get appointments, sell products, and build a community, sell on-demand videos, offer a contact form, publish a blog or media. Now, these are the questions that are going to help you choose a template. So if you are thinking of some other idea, and if you have any idea of your own, then you are going to use Blueprint AI, because the same way it is going to ask you some simple questions that will help you choose a template for you. But if you're looking for some templates provided by Squarespace, then there are so many options as well. You can choose any one of them. You see, on the basis of my questions, it has provided me 47 new templates. Let's just choose this one. Okay, so now I am going to click on start with the design, because I am not looking for changing the colors. So this is how you're going to create a website. Let me just give you a brief thing about what a lead generator page is. A lead generator page, it is a page on your website that is going to offer value to the visitors in exchange for their contact information. This could be in the form of, they are going to put their email on your website, on the provided site, and in return you are going to give them your information, or it could be in the form of an ebook, a webinar, a checklist, where there are so many contents. So the goal is to capture leads and to build your email list, allowing you to nurture through the sales funnel. So let's just discuss the benefits, and then let me just show you guys first that how we are going to create it, and then I will be showing you the benefit of a lead generator page. You see, this is a simple site. You can simply go edit and change the site title, but I will just simply go to my pages, and here I am going to click on non-linked option. You see there's an option. I'm going to click on this plus icon. You can also go down and go to your cover option, or you can select a blank page. I am going to select a blank page. Now you can rename it. Let's just say it is the digital guide. Digital guide. I am going to click on this one, and here it is going to create a new page for me. You see, I am going to click on it. It is going to create a blank page for me, and I will be getting an option to edit it simply by going on and clicking on edit. It has created two for me. I'm going to delete this one, and simple. Let's just go to digital guide. Now you can also go to this gear option here, or cog icon. You can click on it. You can go to the advanced setting, and it will help you remove your header and footer from your page. You are simply going to add a code over here, and it will help you do this. But I do not feel like removing it from my lead generator page. So what I'm going to do is go to my edit. Here you see the page is empty. You can remove the excess of the options. Let's just say I'm going to delete this. I would like to work with these, and edit my site title. Let's just say I'm writing here digital guide, or I can say your digital guide here. Now this is my site title. Now what I can do is remove these options because I don't want it on my page. So let's just delete these. Now you're going to get the option to add the blocks. You can add a button. Now, three things are very important in a lead generator page. Number one is that you are going to give it a suitable title, the way I have given, that your digital guide. You are not supposed to enter the words like subscribe or something like that, because it would be quite boring, because nobody would like to enter their email to give you access to their inbox and to fill them with the unnecessary information. So you are not going to use the words like these, subscribe or anything like that. You're going to simply go edit your header. Here you can also remove these and simply move to this page. But if you're in a mood to add more things in it, like the picture or something, you can keep them. Now I am going to add the button here. I am going to write here, get guide. You can change the design. You can do whatever you want. You can also keep it in the center or wherever you want to put it. Now here you are going to go to your text. Now you are going to get an option to, it is going to give you the option that you can simply write here three things. You can tell them that what their problem is. In the number 2 area, you are going to tell them what you're going to provide them, that what they're going to get. And in the 3rd area, you are going to give them, for instance, let's say you are going to give them the detailed video tutorial. I am not going to write it over here, but you can write all the 3 problems, that what is their problem. You are going to write it over here, or you can tell them ABC, that what they're going to get. You can also tell them that what they're looking for. And in the 3rd option, you're going to give them the button, for example, the get guide. They are going to get it. Here, let's just say I am going to write this over here. And now, if you have your email addresses, let me just click on this and you will get an idea. Okay, so if this is not what you're looking for, and if your email addresses are stored in your Google Drive instead of your email service provider, then you are going to go to your ad block, and here, newsletter. You're going to click on it. Let me just drag it over here. This is going to be your newsletter, and if you go to this sign up option, or you can also click on this edit option here, you are going to go to the storage. Here you see you are going to go to other storage option and connect your Google Drive. And this way, you will be able to get all your email addresses that you've stored. They will be connected through the Google Drive. This is how you're going to enter your newsletter if you want, or if you don't want it, you're simply going to click on a button that is going to give them the guidance. Let's just check it out on the mobile mode, and this is how you're going to let it set up. So if you like it, you're simply going to save it, but if you're looking for more editing, you are simply going to skip this part. This is how you're going to get the complete digital guide lead generator page. You can also promote it by going to your Instagram stories or your Instagram post. There you're going to promote it through these areas, or you can also move to your Facebook page. Here you're going to go to your Facebook stories or your Facebook groups and share them with those people where you think that you are going to promote it. Or you can also go to your marketing areas. You can also promote it by going to the promotional pop-ups. Here, these are the options that you can use. There is an option of announcement bar, of promotional pop-up, mobile information bar. You can use all of them in order to promote your lead generator page. So more number of the people would be available to enter the email address, and in return you're going to give them information like your ebooks or whatever information you are supposed to get. Hopefully, let's just say that I have given you the complete guidance. That's it for today's tutorial on creating a lead generator page on Squarespace. I hope you found this helpful in understanding how to create a high converting lead generator page that is going to drive results for your business. I hope by following these steps and best practices, you can create a lead generator page and promote it through the marketing tools. So, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.